Let's see what the dog is barking at this time. Okay, you know what? Fuck this. I'm done. Getting fucking ridiculous. Sweating too. You know what? Fuck you! She never shuts up. Now breath. Okay, if you guys are wearing headphones, I probably would unplug them. Unplug them, because I'm probably gonna scream. And the reason why it was fucking door leg popped. No, don't know what he's barking at. I don't know why it just cannot. You know what? Let's go see actually. It's fucking ridiculous, dude. Getting toenails sticking to my socks and sweating with my armpits sticking to my body. And yes, we are having tacos. This is my second favorite food. Oh shit. First favorite is spaghetti. The reason why we have this is because of a dog coming in here and sitting. Alright. Sweating again. Yep. Just a simple fucking guy out there. I'll zoom in on him here. If I can. There we go. Stepping on something fucking awesome. Yep, just a guy watering his bushes or swimming them or whatever the fuck he's doing. Just don't know why the hell headed this. Just don't know why he just simply just cannot fucking ignore him. Okay then. My mom, and yes, I know she's kind of, and that was my mom. And yes, she is kind of weird sometimes, but I still love her. Okay, seems like the dog is finally quit barking. Shut the door just in case. Sweating anymore. This is ridiculous. Don't know what the hell else it is. Just, yes, I know it's disgusting, and yes, I will get a carpet cleaned in here eventually. Got an itch. Anyways, I said it's fucking ridiculous.